wind and you're shaking. Nothing could hide me. No one deserves me. I am not.
Hi guys! Micah here, and today is my 18th birthday. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
I got a heart and I got a soul.
Micah, magpakabait ka. Magtapos ka sa pag-aaral mo. Andito kami. Ito, binigyan ka namin ng saya at birthday. Ibinigay sa iyo lahat. Pero surprise talaga yan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Mga kapatid mo din. Kumpleto kayo. Ano nga ba? Mag-iingat ka sa pag-aaral mo. Pag-uwi, dalaga ka na.
Sana na-surprise ka sa surprise mo ngayong sinurprise ka namin.
Ma-achieve niyo po yung mga pangarap niyo. And proud na proud po ako sa inyo. Sa lahat po ng mga achievement niyo po.
Happy birthday, Sen. Wish ko is always good health, stay humble, and more birthdays to come.
We took a chance. God knows we tried.
Sa'yo, sana nag-enjoy ka kahit nabisto mo kami.
We'd be fine. So pour me a drink. Oh no. Let's split the night wide open, and we'll see everything we can. Live in love in slow motion, motion, motion. So kiss me where I lay down, my hands pressed to your cheeks, a long way from the playground. I have loved you since we were 18. Long before we both thought the same thing. To be loved and to be loved. And all I could do is say that these arms were made for holding you. Oh, and I wanna love like you made me feel when we were 18. When we were 18. Oh Lord, when we were 18. Kiss me where I lay down, my hands pressed to your cheeks, a long way from the
Happy birthday, Micah. Alam mo naman na yun na mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy. Nandito lang ako palagi. And iwas, boss bawasan ang toyo. Ayun, love you ulit. Maging mabuting bata pala.
all I could do is say that these arms were made for holding you.
Happy birthday!
Birthday, Ate!
Happy birthday, Teddy!
I love you. Ako, Micah.
Micah, happy birthday.
We were 18. I wanna love like you made me feel when we were 18.